Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
Guys, it's homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in the building with another one. So listen, today I want to roll out something that I think is going to be really special for a lot of you guys that are tapped into the content. You tapped into the channel. Some of you guys want to see certain videos. Some of you guys want to see other types of videos. So what I have just rolled out is something called channel memberships. What is a channel membership? So channel membership is basically a way for you guys to patronize the channel, as in sort of, it's not like super chats, but it's more so of a recurring subscription to the channel for members only, for certain members. So if you decide not to become a member of the channel, just a subscriber, you'll still see the content that I do roll out, but I will be doing certain videos exclusively for my channel members. You know what I'm saying? Like, we'll have a whole nother set of videos that I will drop exclusively to channel members. So let's get into exactly what the two different, because I only have two different levels that you guys could tap into, where I'm definitely going to be dropping so much sauce for people that are actually saying, hey Vic, I want to support you, not just by watching your videos, but look, hang on a little change. If you got the gems, bro, drop them on me. So this is more for those type of people that are looking to, you know, just tap into the content that I regularly drop, but I'm going to add some more extra. I'm gonna put a little more oomph on these other videos that I'm going to create for you guys. So I know I have a couple of different audiences on this channel. I have my producer family, and then I have a lot of people that just want to tap in for business ideas, starting companies, people that are tapping into, you know, that have joined a lot of you guys have joined for, you know, the trucking industry or just business in general, and then some of you guys tapped in because you like the energy, you like the vibe, you know, the vibes over here on the channel. So this membership is basically going to give some of you guys different perks. The first membership will be $4.99 monthly. It's $5 monthly. For those members, you'll basically get a loyalty badge next to your name, showing that you're a member of the channel, not just a subscriber, but it shows that you're a member of the channel, and that will also give you early access to new videos that I upload. Now, when I roll out my videos, I'll drop a video. It's gonna drop first to the members, depending on what type of video it is. You know, so if I feel like it's a member video that my members need to see this video first, boom, they're gonna see it. Subscribers will eventually see the video unless it's an exclusive video for members only. Then you guys won't see that video. But of course, I'm still gonna roll out, like, a lot of things won't change, but there will just be more enhancements that I'll be doing with the content that I will start rolling out for members and, you know, just subscribers of the channel. The second membership that I'll be rolling out is $25 a month. With that membership, you'll basically be able to connect with me on social media. That's a perk. I will have members only live streams. So I'll still do some live streams, but then I'm gonna also have members only live streams, which I think is dope. I think that's gonna be crazy because I already dropped real good live streams and I answer a lot of questions in those live streams. But for my members, we going in. We're gonna go in on those live streams. And I know that those are, you know what I'm saying, typically the people that are patronizing the channel, even though I've seen a lot of you guys on the live streams that do the super chats. That's amazing. So I'm sure something like this won't probably be a big deal for you guys, as far as like saying, hey, whenever he drops those live streams, I want to be on them. Boom, I get the notification. So I'll be putting a lot of content into the platform, more so for members. Still drop my content for, you know, for subscribers, but I'm gonna put a lot. When I say a lot, I'm gonna put a lot of effort into the membership side of the channel now. You know what I'm saying? For people that decide to take the plunge, join the membership, and we all gonna have some fun. I'm looking to have some fun. So, but basically this kind of more so incentivizes me to drop certain videos. Like I know I'm still supposed to be dropping the video on the funding, because I had a few more sources that I was getting tied into real quick before I did drop the video. So I do have that video coming. I don't know, that video may drop to the members first. Just keep it 100 with y'all. It may drop to the members first. Then it will probably open up to, eventually open up to just subscribers of the channel. Without a doubt, I promise you, I thank y'all 1000% for subscribing to the channel and tapping into the content thus far. Right now we have 44.2 thousand subscribers. That's just amazing to me. Shows that you guys like the content that I'm creating. You guys are tapping into the content. I want to give you guys some exclusive content. That's the whole point of the membership. Exclusive content, early access to videos, behind the scenes stuff, just a lot more personable type videos with you guys that say, hey, bro, I support you 1000%. Let's make it happen. I already know you've been dropping gems. You helped me get to where I'm at now. I learned some things from you, all that good stuff. I want to keep that same momentum going. You know what I'm saying? But this just really incentivizes me to really keep making great content for you guys. I would love to be doing this full time, to be honest with you. Not saying that I want to get out of the truck, but I would love to just be doing this full time. So I know you guys still want to see reason videos for my producer community. I know you guys still want to see reason videos or just production videos in general. I'ma still do that, but I really want to make it to where, when I do drop a video, it's for the people that say, hey, I want to see this type of video. You get what I'm saying? So that just incentivizes me more to create that content and keep cooking that heat for y'all and bringing y'all that fire on the channel. Platinum members will have access to connecting. We connect on social media, of course. Members only live streams, member shout outs in the video. So my platinum members, you're gonna get the mass shout out. You're gonna get the shout out. I'm gonna give y'all the shout out when I see y'all tapped in. All right, you're gonna get the shout out on the channel. Let's make that clear. All right, and also early access to new videos when they drop. But that's just some of the perks. Now, as the channel grows and I see how it goes, more than likely I'm gonna add more perks to the different membership levels, because I'm just one for over delivering on whatever I say I'm gonna do. I want to make it right for you guys. I want to make it live for you guys. I want to have fun. I want us to enjoy it, and I want y'all to continue to enjoy the content that I do drop on this platform. It's been amazing, and I just thank you guys. I thank you guys. My channel has just became eligible to roll out the membership. I didn't want to go take my audience and bring it over to another platform. Like I know that there's the Patreons out there, but I feel like I can do just a little more by leaving it on the YouTube platform. Plus, you guys are already here. I don't want to have you leave here and come over to an entirely different platform for me to offer those, membership benefits. So I think it's dope. If you look on my main page, or I think on any video now, you should see a join button. And if you click that join button, it will show the perks for both of the gold or platinum levels. Once you guys join, the content will be headed right your way. I promise you. I even set up the background, like y'all say y'all like these style videos. So this is gonna be one of my sets. When I decide to just get on here and talk, what I call these the talking head videos. When I decide to get on here and just talk or have a conversation with you guys, I will make sure I have this set up for you, because a lot of you guys said you like this look right here. So you're feeling this. So I'm gonna keep bringing it to you. Tap in, get that membership. Even whether it's the $5 membership or it's the $25 a month membership, you can cancel at any time. If you don't feel like I'm providing or giving you gems or whatever the case may be, cancel it. No big deal. Just be a regular subscriber. I don't want to say a regular subscriber. That sounded a little weird. just continue just to be a subscriber, and hey, we'll keep doing what we do, man. Shout out to y'all, and thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. I got some more videos dropping for y'all. You already know we got the content coming. We're gonna drop it. We're gonna drop them bombs on y'all. So another thing, when my members, y'all guys ask for certain types of videos, or you want to see certain types of videos and you are a member, that's going to incentivize me even more to create that type of video for you. You know, when we do these Q&As inside of our lives for the member only live streams, I think that's going to be dope. I'm looking forward to it. I'm just looking forward to see how this whole membership thing, you know, plays out. It'd be nice. I like to see what it does. I like to see who are my supporters outside of just being a subscriber, like, you know, because subscription is free, doesn't cost you anything, and you get a lot of content, you know, for free 99. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Tap in, drop comments down below. It's always lovely to see comments, likes, thumbs this video up, all the good stuff. Got a video coming probably right behind this video. I'm probably do a story time or something. I got a story I'm gonna tell y'all. It was real crazy, but it was during my working my job days. I got a crazy story I'm gonna tell y'all. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny and scary at the same time. For me, it was scary, but it's gonna be probably funny to y'all. You already know what it is. It's your homie Bigg Vic TV. Always hustle, never stop growing. The next video. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's eat, baby.